everyone. Welcome to Missangela's classroom. I am Missangela, and we are here for Tuesday mini class. Welcome, everyone. All right, guys. Today, I want to show you my musical instrument. Guys, what is musical instrument? Musical instrument is a device that is created to make some musical sound. So piano, violin, cello, trumpet, triangle, drum, those are all the musical instruments. But any objects that make some sound, that can be a musical instrument as well. So any object that can make some sound, they can make music, right? So they can be a musical instrument. So I'm going to show you my musical instrument. Okay, look what I have over here. These are my rainbow rice. And this is one of the materials that that I'm going to use to make some sound today. So these are my musical instruments. It's making sound, right? And with this rice, I also have a spoon, because when I use spoon, it can make sound as well. Do you hear the sound? It's making some sounds, right? I'm doing this. Yeah. And with the spoon, I'm going to use cups as well. Because look, with the cups, it makes a little bit different sound. It can make some different sound, right? So these cups are my musical instruments as well. And in addition to my rainbow rice, I've got two different things. Two more different things. Look. Can you see what they are? Yes, I put a shell-shaped pasta in an empty bottle. And it makes different sound, right? So this is my musical instrument. And in the other empty bottle, I put lentils, guys. Lentil is kind of beans, dry beans. And lentils make different sound. Make different sound, right? So these are my musical instruments, and I'm gonna use these to make some sound. We're gonna try making sound together with the book. I'm gonna read the book. This is a story. This is a story called Mina's Rainy Day. And as we listen to the story, whenever there's a sound in the story, we are gonna make the sound with our musical instrument. Okay, if your musical instrument is not ready yet, you can listen to me making some sound first, and then you can try making your instrument, and then try making the sound with your instrument. Okay, so if you don't have your musical instrument, if you don't have your musical instruments ready yet, you can just look at me and see how I make the sound. All right. Okay, so we are gonna listen to the story. So this is called Mina's Rainy Day. Okay. So it is Saturday morning. Mina doesn't have school on Saturday. When she woke up in the morning, she thought, I don't go to school today. Should I play in the sandbox today? Mina wanted to go to the playground to play in the sandbox. She got up and ran to the window to check the weather. She wanted to prepare her clothes so she can change right after her breakfast and go out to play. Oh, what happened? Look at all the water drops on the window. Did it rain last night? Did it rain last night? Mina got closer to the window to see the outside better. Oh, Mina heard something. It was a rain sound. Do you hear the rain sound? As Mina got closer and closer to the window, the sound of rain got clearer. It was raining a lot. And she could see the raindrops hitting the leaves hard. When the raindrops fell on the leaves, they made sound. It's raining hard. Mina spotted a snail between leaves. Mina was worried. The rain is coming down hard. Is the snail okay outside? Oh, look, I think the snail is going inside his shell. It's slowly and slowly going inside. That's great. When he goes inside the shell, his face is not gonna get wet. And he won't hear the rain sound much. The rain sound will be weaker and softer inside the shell. Like this. When he comes outside of the shell, the rain sound will be loud. When he goes back into the shell, the rain sound will be soft. When he comes outside of the shell, the rain sound will be loud. When he goes back into the shell, the rain sound will be soft. Right. After watching the snail for a long time, Mina came back to her room. Well, I can go to the playground now because it's raining really hard outside. I'm just gonna read books. After reading 5 picture books, she had lunch. After lunch, Mina wanted to check outside again. She wondered if the rain stopped. She went to the window again. Oh, it's still raining. But it's gentle rain now. When she looked outside closely, she could see a boy playing in a puddle. The boy jumped in the puddle and made a splash. He jumped and jumped and jumped. Mina could hear the splashing sound. Splashing sound. Can you hear the splashing sound? Mina thought, I want to play in the puddle too. I'm gonna go outside. Oh, wait, my rain boot. Mina remembered that one of her rain boots was broken. She tripped over a rock and fell a few weeks ago, and her rain boot got a hole from the fall. Mom said we're gonna go to buy new rain boots next week. Until next week, I can't play in the puddle. It's alright. Next rainy day, I will be able to play. I will just go to my room and play with my toys. Mina went to her room. She built a track and played with trains. After playing, she had a dinner and had a bath. And it was almost sleep time. Mina wanted to check outside. She wondered if it's still raining. It was dark outside, but she could see the rain. She even saw lightning. It was raining really hard. And she heard thunder. 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 She observed the thunderstorm for a long time. It looked a little scary, but it was very interesting to see. And she knew that she was safe inside the house. And it was really the sleep time. Mina came to her room and closed the curtain. Oh, it rained all day today. Hopefully tomorrow it doesn't rain so that I can play outside. Mina lied down on the bed and closed her eyes. Good night. The end. All right. So guys, that was Mina's rainy day. And did you guys have fun making some sound? We made different rain sounds, right? Gentle rain, hard rain, and soft sound and loud sound. And even thunder, right? Was it hard to make thunder sound? It was a little bit hard to make thunder sound. I used my cups to make the thunder sound. Okay, so that was fun, right? It was interesting to see different materials are making different sound, right? Okay, so if you have some rice at home, you can try making sound like me. And if you don't have rice, you can try using different materials. Like you can try using some pasta, you can try using some lentils or different kinds of beans and make your own musical instrument, okay? When you make your own musical instruments, you can play the Mina's Rainy Day story again and try making some sound in the story. All right. Okay, that's it for today. And it was very nice to see you today in the mini class. And I'm going to see you guys next Tuesday again. Okay, bye everyone.